If your X app isn't loading anything, no tweets, no profiles, not even the timeline, here's a quick guide to help you fix it on your iPhone. First of all, check your internet connection. Try opening Safari or YouTube. If those aren't working either, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Next, force close and reopen the app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, remove the X app from the recent app list and open it again. After that, update the X app. Go to the App Store, search for X, and if there's an update button, tap on it. Then clear app cache and data. Open your X app, then tap on your profile icon. After that, go into settings and privacy. Then scroll a bit and tap on accessibility, display, and languages. Then go into data uses. Here, tap on media storage and web storage and clear them both. Now, restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button, slide to power off, wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Next, check for any iOS updates. Go to your Settings app, then tap on General. After that, go into Software Update and if there's one available, install it. Finally, uninstall and reinstall X app. Press and hold on the app icon, then select Remove app and download it again from the App Store. And that's all. After these steps, your X app should start loading properly again. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos and thank you for watching.